China put together very strong containment efforts that limited the impact of the crisis. The very strong policy support of fiscal policy and monetary policy both played a role in that. China is one of the engines and has been the engine of growth for the global economy for a while now. And so in that respect, of course, it has a very important role to play going forward. Now, going back to the health front, I think the fact that China is one of the producers of a vaccine and has been active and willing to also help others is an important thing, and we would encourage that. We would say that it would be important for China to be one of the champions of that global multilateral cooperation on the vaccine front. And last but not least, in the area of debt, resolving debt issues, I think China has an important role to play there. And I did forget the climate part, where again, China can do a lot in terms of being again the catalyst or the champion for change at the global level.